Can you focus on me?
Hey guys, it's Tashira, and this is a get ready for bed with me routine. So first we're gonna start with my hair and then move on to skincare. First, I just need to comb through my hair because I got some tangles from the day. My hair has been straightened, but yeah, it has a blowout look. So I need to put a little bit of oil on my edges. I'm going to use the Design Essentials Edge and Temple Strengthening Oil with biotin and black castor oil. I love that this has a nozzle applicator, so I can just apply it right onto my edges. I do have some breakage around my edges, so I'm using this to help enhance the hair fibers and allow the hair to grow in thicker. Massaging my scalp helps to circulate the blood flow and stimulate hair growth at the follicle. And I know you don't think I was about to forget about my ends. I'm going to use the Carol's Daughter Born to Repair Reviving Oil. I'm just going to take a few pumps of this, not too much, and I'm going to work it through the rest of my hair. This is kind of like a medium weight oil, and I'm just working it through. This helps to just preserve my style and make it not as dry. It gives it a little bit of shine. I'm not sure yet if it's my favorite hair oil, but I'm giving it a try. And I gotta make sure to concentrate on my ends because I just got a trim and I'm not trying to have split ends. Now, this is the way that I actually keep my hair stretched and keep that curl in there. I'm gonna take a few bobby pins, and I'm using the long bobby pins. I'm about to pin curl. So taking a section of hair, you just start a little curl. You know, you just start rolling it with your fingers, and you wanna leave a hole in the middle. So you just roll, roll, roll. It's kind of like a cinnamon roll. And you keep rolling all the way until you get to the roots. Then you're just gonna take one of your bobby pins and pin it in place. Mine is a little bit loose, but that's okay, girl. It's still gonna come out cute. So I'm taking another section of hair, start at the bottom. And if you're having a little bit of trouble with this starting off, you're just gonna wrap the hair around one finger and then keep rolling and rolling. You're gonna always want to leave that hole in the middle. And then once you get to the top, go ahead and pin it. Got your little mini cinnamon bun, and time to do the rest. This is gonna create really pretty curls. It allows me to keep my hair stretched, maintain some curls in my hair, even though, you know, it's not super straight anymore, but it's straight enough. And it allows me to keep that heat from the flat iron or the curling iron out of my head because nobody has time for heat damage, girl. Okay, she's cute, she's cute. Now it's time to wash my face. Normally I do this in the shower, but it's okay. I'm just gonna wet my face in the sink, and I'm using the Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. This is really good for dry and sensitive skin types. It's a really lightweight, creamy type of cleanser. It doesn't leave my skin stripped. My skin feels hydrated after I use it, and it doesn't break the bank, okay? Now, I do not suggest this one for makeup days. I feel like it's a little too gentle to get makeup off, but it will get the job done on those no makeup days. So once I've rinsed the cleanser off of my skin, I'm just going to kind of pat my eyes dry, you know, so I can see. I leave my skin a little bit wet, and then I put on a moisturizing toner. This is the Heritage Store Rosewater Toner. I just take a few drops of this, maybe like 5, 6, 7, rub it onto my hands and pat it into my skin. Since this has hyaluronic acid in it, it's going to bind to the water molecules already on my skin and make my skin plump and hydrated. Now for my under eye area, I'm going to be using the Believe Moisturizing Eye Balm. I find this to be super duper hydrating for my eyes. My under eyes do have a little bit of darkness. And yes, I only have a little bit of this left. I clearly need to buy some more. But it's just kind of like a gel cream type consistency, more so cream. But ooh, it just feels so good. It makes makeup apply much easier. And I need major moisture retention because ooh, I got some dark circles. It's exfoliation time. Time for some Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is a lactic acid serum. It's super duper lightweight. Y'all, when I say it brightens my skin, makes it so beautifully soft, it gives me an entire glow. So what it does is it gently, very gently exfoliates the outer layer of dead skin cells. And you can wear this overnight. I'm about to wear this overnight and then just put my moisturizer on top of it. But you can also keep it on for about 10-15 minutes and then just rinse it off. You should see results immediately. My go-to night cream is the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Face Cream. This is a cream that has sort of like a whipped consistency to it. It's really lightweight, so it's not going to weigh your skin down. It's not going to feel heavy while you're sleeping. It is indeed hydrating. It feels really good on my skin. It just feels so good to do my skincare routine. My skin is all just, you know, feeling great, refreshed, and I'm all glowy and pretty. I'm just working any remaining product into my neck because I need to start moisturizing my neck. Y'all, I was not doing a good job. And finally, for my lips, I'm using the Laneige Amore Pacific Lip Sleeping Mask in Sweet Candy. I don't know about you, but I love a good Laneige lip sleeping mask. This just smells like candy. It's really sweet, and it's gonna keep my lips moisturized and hydrated till the morning. This is also a product I don't think I will ever stop using. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, I've got some more videos for you because I know you want to keep watching. I love you guys. See you in the next one.